guys, it is Robin the Lady Biker. How is everyone doing today? Okay, I am trying to be happy because if you saw my Instagram post on Monday, which was, by the way, I think it was National Vlogger Day. And so one of the things that I mentioned is that we cuss at technology a lot. And I've been doing that for the last 2 days because I had a problem with my audio setup. And so I am trying out a new system and a new technology today. So cross your fingers. So needless to say, this has been an eventful week. So first off, it was the issue with the audio. Then I had something else happen that has now forced me, and yes, forced me to have to ride my motorcycle to work. And most of you are probably sitting there thinking, well, that's cool, right? Well, yeah, it is. It is very cool. But I also get a lot of weird and funny looks whenever I ride to work on my motorcycle. And if you're wondering why, take a look. Here it is. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, when I go to work, I ride with a yoga mat strapped to the back of my bike. So that is where the funny looks come from. So if you're new to my channel, you probably haven't learned yet that for the last 13 years, I've been a professional in the fitness industry as a group fitness instructor and a personal trainer. And currently we're in the middle of the pandemic still, and I have just only recently gone back to teaching classes. And they're all outdoors, and we have to take our own equipment for safety. And so when I ride to work, I strap my yoga mat to the back of my bike. And let me tell you, it gets some looks. Oh, so the fun part of the interesting, and I say fun with a lot of sarcasm there, of why I'm having to ride to work is because about, over the last weekend? Yeah, last weekend. Me and my husband were at Costco doing our regular big shopping trip, and my door sensor started going off saying that one of the doors was open. And didn't think too much about it because, you know, sensors on cars do weird stuff all the time. And so I wasn't too concerned until we took a corner and the back passenger door flew right open. Scared the crap out of me. What it turns out, once we got home and did some research, it is a recall from Ford, and Ford is taking care of me. Dropped my car off yesterday. Hopefully we'll have it back today. But apparently there's a flaw in the door latches. They break. Mine did. So we're just sitting there thinking, oh my gosh, how are we going to get home with this door unsecure? And I got to show you. Fortunately, we had a set of ratchet straps in the car with us, and my husband rigged up a four-man blocking system. Check that out. Yeah, I thought it was pretty creative. I know some of you are rolling your eyes, and some of you are thinking, dude, that is so cool. Oh, look at the puppy. And so, yeah, that's what we ended up having to do. Anyway, guys, just wanted to jump on for a quick video today to share some of the craziness that has been my life this week and the creative and positive things that have come out of it. So, with that said, guys, I am going to jump off because I am heading to run a couple of errands, and yes, I'm having to do it on my bike. So, guys, get out and ride. Have fun. Be safe. And I'm going to catch you all in the next video. Bye.